Topic for today is soil and chemical requirements of Rabi crops, vegetables and pulses. So first one is chickpea. Chickpea, as we know, is of two types, brown gram and Kabuli gram. The botanical name for chickpea is Cicer eritinum and its family is Leguminosae. Its origin is Afghanistan and Persia. Next is soil requirements for chickpea. It requires medium black loam and sandy loam and well aerated soil. It is also successful in paddy land, but excessive soluble salts and water lodging is harmful for the crop. It needs sufficient moisturizer in lower layer of soil. Next are chemical requirements. It requires seed treatments. Seeds are treated with 2 to 3 gram per kilogram therum or carbendazim to save them from seed-borne fungal diseases. To prevent wilt, it is treated with 5 gram per kilogram trichoderma. Herbicides for chickpea is PEH, that is pre-emergent herbicide. Pesticide for chickpea is delta methrinate and trijopus. It requires nitrogen fixation. For that, it is treated with rhizobium culture. Rhizobium culture is used 250 grams per 8 to 10 kilogram of seeds. Its nitrogen requirement is 25 kilogram per hectare. Sulfur required is 20 kilogram per hectare. Phosphorus pentoxide required is 50 kg per hectare. 250 gram phosphate stabilizing bacteria is used per 10 kg. Next crop is pea. Botanical name for pea is Pisum sativum. Its family is Leguminosae and its origin place is South Europe and Western Asia. Soil requirements for pea are, it requires deep loamy soil, that is soil of Indo-Gangetic plains. It can withstand mild alkaline conditions but can't propagate in acidic soil. Chemical requirements for pea, therum 2 to 3 gram per kilogram for the seed treatment. As we know, this treatment is done for fungal prevention. And it requires rhizobium culture inoculation. 8 to 10 ton farmyard manure per hectare, nitrogen 22 to 25 kg per hectare, potassium pentoxide 40 to 50 kg per hectare and 50 kg potassium oxide per hectare is used. Next crop is coriander. Botanical name for coriander is Coriandrum sativum and it belongs to the family Umbelliferae. Its origin place is Egypt, as most of the spices origin place is Egypt. Soil requirements for corianders are, it requires well-drained sandy loam to medium black soil. Chemical requirements for coriander are, its seeds are treated with fungicide therum or Captan 3 gram per kilogram. Seed treatment is done with azospirillum 1.5 kilogram per hectare. Herbicide for coriander is flucurelin 700 ml in 500 liter per hectare. For aphid prevention, spray is done, that is with methyl dimetone 2 ml per liter or dimethionate 2 ml per liter. And to prevent powdery mildew, wettable sulfur is used in the ratio of 1 kg per hectare. To prevent the plant from wilt, Pseudomonas fluorescens 10 gram per kilogram is used and foliar spray 2 gram per liter is used. It needs a nitrogen that is in ratio of 20 kg per hectare, and phosphorus is 10 kg per hectare. Next crop is fennel. Its botanical name is Funiculum vulgare. Its family is Ambiphili. Origin is Mediterranean. Soil requirements for fennel are sandy loam to medium black with good drainage. Chemical requirements are dimethionate to prevent aphid in the ratio of 2 ml per liter. To prevent mildew, sulfur dust is used, or wettable sulfur in the ratio of 2 gram per liter is used. For removing weeds, weedicide is used, and recommended one is pendimethalin 1 kg per hectare. NPK is used per kilogram per hectare in the ratio of 90 to 30. It requires iron sulfate also, and that is provided in the ratio of 15 to 16 kg per hectare, and added zinc sulfate 7 kg per hectare.